Hey guys, I was going through my Amazon previous orders and I realized that I ordered this knife 9 years ago. So I feel like this knife deserves an online review. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. This is a Smith & Wesson Special Tactical CKTACBS knife. It is 8.1 inches long, open. It is a blade length of 3.5 inches. It weighs 3.5 ounces. And it is made, the blade itself is made of high carbon stainless steel, black rubber coated, well, it used to be rubber coated ABS handle. It is an amazing knife. I've used it for cleaning deer, cutting food, cutting rope, cutting wood. I mean, pretty much anything you can throw at this thing, it is amazing. And I was going through a couple of other reviews saying that it is not a great knife. I think I have tightened it maybe one time. I sharpen it once a year, and honestly, it can handle anything you throw at it. You can tell how dinged up it is, how much I use it. It's got the serrated blade, the Tanto, tip. It is really the best knife that I've ever had. And for right now, it's on Amazon for $11.28. So you're paying, like $1 a year for this thing. I really want to buy another one just because my the coating is starting to wear on it. Just pulling it in and out of the pocket for so long. It's not ungrippable anymore, but it definitely is a lot more slick than it was when I first got it. I want to order another one, but I kind of want to just see how long this thing can go before it starts breaking down or it's unusable. Yeah, again, quick review. It is the CKTACBS. That's the code. So if you want to get this on Amazon, I highly recommend it. Thanks a lot.